what you say. That you only meant well, but cause you did what you say. That it's all for the best, because it is what you say. That you only meant well.
It's Jay Taylor.
What you say? What did she say?
Sometimes I feel all alone, like I am trapped on an island. Sometimes my life feels like a ship and see this capsizing. It's like everything's going good, changes in an instant. It's like my hand was loaded, Lady Luck forgot to visit. I miss it, those people from my past, why they had to leave so soon, it is still hard for me to grasp. Each day is a blessing, a lesson for you to learn, and every mistake that I made was a rite of passage I earned. It burns, I remember that it hurt when I first saw her, played such a major role, and now I can't even call her. But that's a different story, my life fills these pages. I'm cut from an old cloth that's faded throughout the ages.
What you say? That you only meant well, but cause you did what you say. That it's all for the best, because it is what you say. That you only meant well.
It's Jay Taylor.
What you say? What did she say?
I see everything, I just don't always speak on it, and keep it pushing even when it seems bleak, homie. Conceit only detrimental to yourself, so keep it confident, not cocky above all else. I used to wear my heart on my sleeve, but now he follows me, chain smoking, hoeing as he heaves. The truth is what I see, please believe. What you sow in this life is all you gon' read. Ooh, what you say? You only meant well. Well, that dog ain't gon' hunt and that dream ain't gon' sell. Some of the worst things were done with the best of intentions. These days I'm real careful where I invest conviction.
What you say? That you only meant well.
Yeah, of course you did.
What you say? That it's all for the best, because it is what you say. That you only meant well, but cause you did what you say. What did she say?
DeLuca Heights.
Do me a favor, go down here, share this, like it, love it, fuck with me.